Hi, welcome back to another video from Refer It. Friends, we have been discussing communication English skills program. So in that program, we have been discussing interchange module, interchange 4th edition. So and now we are in second chapter, grammar focus. That's nothing but expressions of quantity. It is subtopic grammar focus. Under this subtopic we are discussing expressions of quantity. So let us see the sentences on the left side. There are too many cars in Guntur. You can find too many biryani stalls in Narsaropet. Venki bought too many books last year, but he could not read. Too many people attended marriage violating COVID rules. So here if you observe all these four sentences, you can find too many cars. Too many is used with countable plural noun. Too many cars. And then you can find too many biryani stalls. Too many is used with biryani stalls. Plural countable noun. So next one. Venki bought too many books last year. Too many with countable plural noun. Next one. Too many people attended marriage. Too many with people, plural countable noun with too many. So this is how we have to use too many expression with plural countable nouns. So we can formulate that too many with countable plural nouns. Too many with countable plural nouns. When we use too many with countable plural nouns, it always refers to number. It always refers to number. Okay. Next, this one. Come to the sentences written on the right side. Go look at this. There is too much pollution in Hyderabad. He always took too much alcohol, so he died. He ate too much food and became idle. It took 15 minutes of time to reach here from Mallamma Center because of too much traffic. So when we observe all these four sentences on the right side, too much is used with too much pollution, too much with uncountable singular noun. Next one, too much alcohol, uncountable singular noun with too much. Next, too much food, uncountable singular noun with too much. Next one, too much traffic, uncountable singular noun with too much. So this is how we have to use too much with uncountable singular nouns. So we have to always use this too much expression with uncountable singular nouns. When we use too much with uncountable singular nouns, it refers to quantity. It refers to quantity. Friends, when we use too much, it generally indicates us there has been taken more than needed. There has been taken more than needed. So more than needed we took here. That's why generally this too much expression is used in negative sense. Oh, I eat too much food. That means I ate food more than needed. I drank too much alcohol means I drank alcohol more than needed. So it gives negative sense. So when we use too much with uncountable singular nouns, it generally brings us the sense of negative sense. Okay, this is how we have to use too much with uncountable singular nouns. It always refers to quantity. So this is too many and too many versus too much. Too many versus too much. So this is how we use too many and too much in our daily lives. So this is under second chapter, grammar focus expressions of quantity. Let me bring some more issues for you here. look at these sentences. Too many is used with both positive sentences, negative sentences and questions. So here, let me read some examples. Have you got many friends? So it's a question. I have not bought many things for my home. Here, have you got many friends? Okay, have you got many friends? Here we have to add too many. Have you got too many friends? Too many with plural countable nouns. Next, here also, I have not bought too many things. I have not bought too many things for my home. This expression also too many with plural countable noun. So, many boys failed in the examinations. Many boys failed in the examination. Here also many boys. So, this expression too many is generally used with both negative sentences and positive sentences and for questions too. So, this is how we use too many in sentences. Let me teach some more things. Too much is used for questions and negative sentences. Generally, this too much expression is not used in positive sentences or in positive sense. Come on, look at these sentences. Do you drink much coffee? That means, do you drink much coffee? Means somebody has the habit of taking much coffee every day. It is more than needed. Next one, I don't talk much time in English. I don't talk much time. I don't go much time, or I don't talk too much time. And we can use, do you drink too much coffee? Next one, I took too much risk. I took too much risk to save him. So, this too much is generally used for questions and negatives, but it's not used generally for positive sentences and in positive sense. So, this is how we have to use too many and too much in our daily conversations, in our daily life situations. So, this is how we have to make use of these two issues, too many and too much. Okay, have you got it? Thank you.